Hello to everyone, today I have here the laptop mouse Logitech M185 and I have problem, it doesn't working properly, so I need to change the battery. Battery I have right here, new one, so it's really very easy. Just return the mouse, find this button, it's on off button, so this is status on and this is status off. Then just put down the cover like this, and the battery is right here. Now what you need to do is just stick out and take out the battery and input the new one into the same way, so like this. So spring is right here, this part is at the end, input, return back and turn on. Mouse is back ready for the useful using. Thank you for your watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.